Good morning, students. Today also we are going to discuss about some models in differential equations. So I will first explain. Find the differential equation of ax square plus 2by square equal to 1. Okay, students, there are the two arbitrary constants are there. So those are a and b. Okay, students. So we find the differential equation of order 2. What, students? We find the differential equation of order 2 since the arbitrary constants are the 2. Dear students, the given equation is ax square plus by square equal to 1. What, students? The ax square plus by square equal to 1 is the differential equation. Now the differentiating with respect to x, dear students, the differentiating with respect to x, that is the 2ax, this is the 2by, dear students, the dy by dx, the derivative of 1 is the 0. Dear students, we got here the ax plus by into dy by dx equal to 0. Dear students, now the by, the dy by dx is the minus ax. Okay, students. Now we can write, students, the y by x, dy by dx is nothing but, students, y1. So this is the y1, y by 1 equals to minus of a by b. How to write the, students? First we can differentiating. This is the 2ax, this is the 2by, the derivative of y is the dy by dx, plus ax sending other side minus ax. After that into x is the by x, dy by dx is nothing but y by 1. Now students, differentiating again with respect to x. Okay, students, the differentiating again with respect to x. This is, students, we have to compare with u by v. We know that, students, the u by v all dash equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, students, now we can write, this is, first you can write x into the derivative of u, that can be written as y, the derivative of y1 is the y2. Now we can written as the y1, the derivative of y is the y1. Okay, students, plus, dear students, first u v u dash, after that minus u is the y1, the y1, the derivative of x is the 1. Okay, students, whole by we can written as the x square. Now this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. Okay, students, so the derivative of minus of a by b is the 0. Dear students, we can write the xy y2. Now this is y1 square into x, this is, we can written as the y1 equal to 0. Now we can write, student, this is xy d square y by dx square, the x into dy by dx whole square minus y into dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, students. Find the, dear students, the differential equation of y equal to a into cos of nx plus b. Different, where arbitrary the constants are the a and b. Differentiating with respect to x. The derivative of y is the y1. Dear students, the derivative of cos is minus sin nx plus b. The derivative of nx is the n. Okay, students, the derivative of cos is minus sin. The derivative of nx is the n. Dear students, differentiating again with respect to x, the derivative of y1 is the y2. Now this is students minus n. The derivative of sine is the cos nx plus b. Dear students, the derivative of nx is the n into n is the n square. Dear student, this is y2 minus n square. A cos nx plus b is the y. This is will be taken 1. From the equation 1, we can write a cos nx plus b is the y. Therefore, now we can written as y2 plus n square y equal to 0. This is the required equation. Y2 means, dear students, the d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. Okay, students? Dear students, find the differential equation of y equal to c into x minus c whole square, where c is the arbitrary constant. Dear students, so here the equation have only one arbitrary constant. So already I explained in the previous last class, when the equation is containing the one arbitrary constant, we have to take only the first order derivative. The equation has the two arbitrary constants, students. Undoubtedly, we have to take that 2 times differentiation, second order derivative. So that is the only our observation. Dear students, undoubtedly we can remove the constants. So the given equation is the y equal to c into x minus c whole square. That is the given equation. Now differentiating, students, with respect to x. The derivative of y, students, the dy by dx. The dy by dx equal to, that is, students, the 2c into x minus c. What, students, we got? The 2c into x minus c. Now using this one, how to complete the, dear students, this one. Okay? Okay, students. Now this is taken 1. This is taking the 2. The, dear students, the dy by dx also y1. We can also written as y1. When we are taking the, students, 1 by 2, that implies y by y1. Okay, students. This is, students, c into x minus c whole square by 2c into x minus c. Dear students, the 2 into y, 2y. 2y into y1. So students, here c cancel, x minus c one time cancel. This is the x minus c. Dear students, the minus c standing other side plus c. Now this is the x minus 2y by y1. What, students, we got? The minus c standing other side plus c. This is, students, x minus 2y by y1. So students, now the equation 1 can be written as, what we write? Y equal to, what is the c? This is x minus 2y by y1 into x minus c. That is, students, the value of x minus c is nothing but 2y by y1. That is the 2y by y1 whole square. Dear students, now this is, you can write y. Now this is x into y1 is the xy1. X into y1 is the xy1 minus 2y by y1. Okay, students. Here this is, students, the 4y square by y1 square. 4y square by y1 square. Dear students, we got here, this is y1 square into y is the y1 cube. y1 cube into, dear students, one time y cancel. Okay, students, y1 cube The y1 into y1 square is y1 cube into this one y1 cube. Now this is students x into y, xy. Okay students, 4y1. After that, this is the students minus 8y square. Now this is students the dy by dx whole cube minus 4xy dy by dx plus 8y square equal to 0. This is the differential equation. What is difficulty students here? We can take the first order derivative, then when you can take 1 by 2, we got the value of directly c x minus 2y by y1. That is substitute in the equation 1, c is the x minus 2y by y1, x minus c is the 2y by y1 whole square. That is the 4y square, this is the y1 square. When you take the LCM, xy1 minus 2y. y1 cube equal to, okay students, the y1 cube equal to minus 4xy into dy by dx plus 8y square equal to 0. Okay students, this is the solution. Find the differential equation of the family of the circles touching the y-axis at the origin. Dear students, now here the family of circles touching the origin. Dear students, the family of circles touching the y-axis at the origin. Undoubtedly, dear students, the center is must be lies on here. So the radius is must be k. Here k is the arbitrary constant. Dear students, what we observe here students, we can observe the circle touch the y-axis at the origin. Therefore, the center must be lying on the x-axis. Okay students. So the equation of the circle, dear students, the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square, x minus k whole square, y minus 0 whole square, r square equal to k square. The equation of the circle is students x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to, dear students, this is the r square. Dear students, when we are taking the, this is the h, undoubtedly on the x-axis k is 0. Therefore, directly we can written as students the x minus h whole square. What is the students? The x minus h whole square, k is the 0, y minus 0 whole square equal to r square is the h square. Dear students, now we have to find, this will be equation 1 where h is the arbitrary constant. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, dear student, this is the 2 into x minus h. Okay students, this is the 2y into dy by dx, this is the 0. Okay students, 2 into x minus h. After you can write students 2y into dy by dx, this is the 0. Dear students, the x minus h, that is the x minus h divided by 2 on both sides also. The x minus h be the, dear students, minus of y dy by dx. Dear students, the value of h will be the x plus y into dy by dx, that equals to h. Okay students, these two values are substituted in the equation 1. Therefore students, the first one is there x minus h whole square. The x minus h whole square will be the, what students, minus square is the plus y square, the dy by dx whole square plus this is the y square. Dear students, we can write the h square can be written as, how to write the students h square is x plus y into dy by dx whole square. This is students the h square we can written as x plus y into dy by dx whole square. Dear students, we can write as the y square into dy by dx whole square and also their y square. Now this is students the x square, b square is the y square into d square y by dx square plus 2xy into dy by dx. This is students, we can cancel here. What is the students? Y square. Dear students, I make a mistake here. This is the y square dy by dx whole square. Okay students, a square b square 2ab. Now this is students the y square minus plus x square is the minus x square equal to the 2xy into dy by dx. This is our required equation. The differential equation of the family of the circles touch the y-axis at the origin. What that is students? Y square minus x square. The y square minus x square equal to 2xy into dy by dx. Okay students? Write down. Dear students, find the differential equation of the family of circles having the center on the y-axis and passing through the origin. Dear students, the differential equation of the circles passing through the origin and the center on the y-axis. This is the center. Dear student, this is also passing through the circle is passing through this is the x-axis students. This is the y-axis. Dear students, the circle is students, here the circle is passing through the origin and the center is lies on the y-axis. We know that on the y-axis x coordinate is 0. This is the 0 comma k. Therefore students, the radius is the k. Now the equation of the circle. The equation of the circle is students x minus h whole square, that is x minus 0 whole square, y minus k whole square. Students, r square is the k square. Proceed students. Now here the differentiating, dear students, the differentiating with respect to x. This is students the 2x. This is the 2 into y minus k. The derivative of y students, the dy by dx equal to 0. Students, here we got the divided by 2. Now this is the y minus k. dy y minus k into y1 equal to minus x. Dear students, the y minus k equal to the minus x by y1, minus x by y1. Therefore what students we got? K, y plus x by y1 equal to k. These values are substituted in this equation. Okay students, now the equation 1 can be written as students the x square. What is the students? Y minus k. Y minus k is the minus x by y1 whole square, that is x square by y1 square. Okay students, what is the k square students? The k square is the students, k square is the y plus x by y1 whole square. Okay students, now this is we can written as students. So when we taking the LC x square, now this is the y1 square plus 1 upon y1 square. Dear students, when we are taking this is the y by 1 plus x, we can written as y by 1 plus x by y1 whole square. Now this is students a plus b whole square, that is y square y1 square plus x square This is the 2xy y1 upon y1 square. Now these two are cancelled. Okay students. Now we observe students. What we got? This is students. We can observe this is x square y1 square plus x square. This is students. We got here this is y square y1 square plus x square 2xy y1. Okay students. Okay students, this is x square cancel. Now the each term is the, here x square is there, here y square is there. Students, now the x square minus y square into y1 square, the 2xy y1. Okay students, and also on both sides one time y1 cancel. Now this is students the x square minus y square y1 minus 2xy equal to 0. Dear students, now we can write the x square minus y square, the dy by dx minus 2xy equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay students, write down. Right. Dear students, obtain the differential equation of the family of the parabolas having their focus at the origin and their axis along x-axis. And the axis along x-axis. Dear students, the focus at the origin and the axis along x-axis. This is the students, the axis is along x-axis. Students, this is, you can write, the focus is the origin. What students? The focus is given that origin. This is the vertex. Dear students, the length of the vertex to the focus is the a. Now the vertex must be minus a comma 0. When the focus is the origin, dear students, when the focus is the origin, the distance between the vertex and the focus, we know that small a. Undoubtedly this is the minus a. Therefore minus a plus a is the 0, 0. Okay students. Now the equation of the parabola. Dear students, the equation of the parabola whose axis is x-axis and the vertex is the minus a comma 0. Now this is students, we can written as y minus k whole square, y minus 0 whole square, 4a into, dear students, 4a into, what is the students? The 4a into x minus a. Dear students, you can understand the vertex is, we can take as h comma k. That can be, we can written as. So students, y minus k, y minus 0 whole square, 4a into x minus h. That is the x plus a. What students? X plus a. We can written as student, this is y square 4a into x plus a. Dear students, this is take equation 1 and the differentiating with respect to x. What students? The differentiating with respect to x. The derivative of y square is the 2y into dy by dx. The derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. The derivative of 4ax is the 4a. The derivative of 4a square is the 0. Okay students. Now students, the dy by dx. Dear students, we got that the 4a is the 2 into dy by dx. Now student, the value of a. The value of a is the, we can write students, the y by 2 into dy by dx is the small a. Okay students. Now the equation 1 can be written as, students, the y square equal to the 4a. What is the, students, 4a? The 4a is the 2y into dy by dx. Okay, student, 4a is the 2y into dy by dx. X plus the value of a is the, students, x plus the value of a is the y by 2 dy by dx. Y by 2 dy by dx. Okay, students. Now, students, we can written as here, this is one time y cancel. Now this is the y 2 into the dy by dx is nothing but y1. Okay, students. Now we are taking the LCM is the 2, students. This is the 2 into x, 2x plus y into, this is the y1, students. 2 cancel. Now we got here the y equals to 2x into y1. Now this is, students, the y into y1 square. Y into y1 square. Dear students, we can written as the y into y1 square minus 2x into y1. Okay, students, the plus y is sending to the other side, minus y. This is our required equation. Okay, students. Dear students, obtain the differential equation of the family of the parabolas, each of which has the lattice rectum 4a, whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. Dear students, here the axis is parallel to the x-axis, the lattice rectum of length 4a. Okay, students. Now this is the origin is shifted to the another point h comma k, whose axis is parallel to the x-axis. Dear students, let the equation of the parabola. Dear students, the equation of the parabola is y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. What, students? The y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Now here, students, the h and k are the parameters. Okay, students, arbitrary constants, because the 4a is given that in the question. This is the length of the lattice rectum. Dear students, when we can differentiating with respect to x, then it is the 2 into y minus k. Okay, students, the derivative of y is y1. What, students, we got here? The 2 into y minus k, the derivative of y is the y1. Here this is the 4a. Okay, students, this is the 4a. Now, students, again this is we got y minus k into y1 equal to, students, the 2a. Dear students, now we have to find. How to find this, students? We can write this is y1. Okay, students, y1. Okay, now this is the minus of ky1 equals to 2a. Okay, students, this is the 2a. Dear students, one more thing is here, the 2a is not a arbitrary constant, students. Here is given that the 4a. Therefore, students, we can directly sending to the y1 other side. That is, students, what we got here, when we can, this is sending to the other side, the y minus k equal to 2a by y1. What, students? Therefore, into y1 is the by y1. This is y minus k equal to 2a by y1. Now, student, the differentiating with respect to x. the derivative of y is the students y1, the derivative of the constant is the 0, the derivative of the 1 by x is the minus 1 by x square minus 2a by y1 square. The derivative of y1 is the y2. Okay students, now the cross multiplication here, this is the y1 cube minus 2a y2. This is students y1 cube plus 2a into y2 equal to 0. Dear students, okay students, the y1 cube means students the dy by dx, the dy by dx whole cube plus 2a into the d square y by dx square equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. Okay students, here the h and k, we can remove the h and k only, where the h and k are the arbitrary constant. Okay students, this is the required differential equation. Find the d of the family of dear students, find the differential equation of the family of the ellipse having the center at the origin, having the center at the origin. Axis are the coordinate axis, axis along coordinate axis. Dear students, this can be written as, this is students the center at the origin, axis are the coordinate axis. Dear students, we can write the x-axis, this is the y-axis, axis are the coordinate axis. We have to know that where the center origin and axis along the coordinate axis, the equation of the ellipse, center at the origin is students the x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1. Okay students, now the arbitrary constants are students a and b. Dear students, here we can write, this is b square x square plus a square y square equal to a square b square. B square x square, a square y square equal to a square, LCM is a square b square. Now students, differentiating with respect to x. Dear student, the derivative of x square is the 2x. B square into 2x, a square into 2y into dy by dx. The derivative of the constant 0. How to write student? This is the derivative of x square 2x. This is the 2y into dy by dx. Now students, this is we can written as the a square 2a square y1 equals to minus of 2b square into x. What students? Minus of 2b square x. This is students we can written as y1 by x equal to minus 2b square by 2a square. Dear students, again differentiating with respect to x. Dear students, the two arbitrary constants are there. Already we take one time differentiating with respect to x. Now again we are taking the differentiating with respect to x. We have to know that u by v whole dash, v u dash minus ub dash by v square. V u dash, that is x into y2 plus y1, okay students, minus of y1, the derivative of x is the 1 upon x square, it will be 0. Okay students, x into y2 plus y1 into the derivative of y is the y1. After then y1 derivative of x is the 1. Already we complete this model at the beginning, students. Okay students, now we got here the xy y2, the xy y2 plus x into y1 square, okay students, equal to y1. So this is the required differential equation. Okay students, this is the required differential equation. Find the d of the family of rectangular hyperbolas. Dear students, find the differential equation of the family of the rectangular hyperbolas which have the coordinate axis are the asymptotes, which have coordinate axis. Dear students, coordinate axis are the asymptotes. Dear students, find the differential equation, the rectangular hyperbola which have the coordinate axis are the asymptotes. Dear students, in the hyperbola you will learn about the rectangular hyperbola. This is, okay students, this is called the rectangular hyperbola. Its equation is the xy equal to c square. So whose asymptotes are the, these are the asymptotes are the coordinate axis. Okay students, the x and x dash, y dash. Therefore the coordinate axis are the asymptotes of the only rectangular hyperbola. The equation of the rectangular hyperbola is xy equal to c square. Therefore differentiating, dear students, with respect to x. Okay students, differentiating with respect to x, x into dy by dx, y into derivative of x is the 1, derivative of the constant 0, where c is the arbitrary constant. Dear student, just you can identify the equation. After completion of the hyperbola, everybody must know that the equation of the rectangular hyperbola whose asymptotes are the coordinate axis is only the xy equal to c square. Therefore the x into dy by dx, y into 1. Therefore students, the dy by dx equal to minus of y by x. This is the answer. Okay students. Find the differential equation of the family of circles of fixed radius. Dear students, of fixed radius smaller and having the center on the x-axis, Dear students, find the differential equation of the family of circles fixed radius are having the center on the x-axis. Dear students, the center is the here on the x-axis. We are taking the h comma 0. The radius is the r. Therefore students, we can take in the equation of the circle center at h comma 0 and radius r, and radius r is, everybody know that the x minus h whole square, y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. Dear student, the fixed radius r is given that we have to take the arbitrary constant is the h. Therefore here only the one constant h. Okay students, how to find this is set that equation 1. Now the differentiating, dear students, the differentiating with respect to x. Therefore student, this is the 2 into x minus h. Okay students, the 2 into 2y, the derivative of y is the y1. The derivative of, dear students, r square is the 0. So now students, we got here the only the x minus h. What is the students x minus h? The x minus h will be minus y by 1. What is the student? The x minus h is minus y by 1. Dear students, now this is x minus h whole square, that is y square y1 square. What got students? X minus h whole square is the y square y1 square plus y square equal to r square. Now we are taking the common, students, the y square y1 square plus 1 equal to r square. The y1 is the dy by dx whole square. What is the students? The y1 is the dy by dx whole square. This is our required differential equation, that is y square into dy by dx whole square plus 1 equal to r square. Okay students, so this is the differential equation. The fixed radius r and the center lies on the x-axis. So dear students, please practice today class. Okay, tomorrow I will explain variable separable and homogeneous differential equation. Okay students, thank you all.